great to be with you guys today. I'm here with Ben Meyer, our expert in the foot and footwear and even foot orthotics. So today, Ben, I'd like for you to teach us a little bit about the importance of the foot and why we need to take care of these feet that we have.
Yes, the feet are very important and they're often forgotten about, and that can lead to problems. The foot is very important because it almost acts like a spring. So what happens when we step, our arch collapses and then it springs back up with each step. So if that important mechanic doesn't happen, it can lead to a lot of problems in the knee and even the back.
So maybe, Ben, talk a little bit about practically what are some things that we could do to just make sure that our foot are working in the optimal fashion.
Well, supportive shoes can't be overstated. A good supportive shoe will make sure the foot is in the proper alignment. Sometimes though, even with a supportive shoe, you'll still find issues, and in that case, it might be time to look into an orthotic.
Well, thank you, Ben. Well, thank you, guys. Make sure that you're wearing good supportive shoes, and we will look forward to, and this month we're going to be talking more about specific ways to make sure that we're taking care of our feet, and in turn we'll take care of all our joints, hips, knees, and backs. So thank you, Ben. We look forward to talking with you next week.
Thank you, Matt.